Friend, this is Abbas and you're watching my YouTube channel. Hope you are all of doing well. Today I'm going to complete Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Variation Movies. So basically this is the third chapter of the Excel section, and before I start this assignment, let me tell you that if you are struggling with Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint or Access, then you don't need to worry because I am providing a simple step-by-step video tutorials on my YouTube channel, especially designed for the student who want to improve their computer skills. And if you are facing any problem regarding any software, then you don't need to worry. Just hit my WhatsApp number and I will try my best to serve you a fast and quick service. So start this assignment, and in the beginning of the file, we have a little description about this project. There is nothing to do anything or nothing to solve anything, but it could be a helpful if you will read it once. So now let's move to the instructions, and I have like a 22 steps to perform for the final form of this assignment. Now let's start with the step number 1. And step number 1 I have in front of me, that is like start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Variations Movies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically step number 1 is regarding to download the file exp25 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment variations. I have already downloaded that. You can see here I have already downloaded that. You can download it from your course dashboard. So this is all about the step number 1. Now let's move to the step number 2. And step number 2 I have in front of me, that is like you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to the monthly movies download. And the major instructions are select the range A5 up to A10 and F5 up to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to a chart sheet named April pie chart. In step number 2, he is saying that we are supposed to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to the monthly movies download. And we are also have to change the name of chart sheet, and that is April pie chart. So move to the answer sheet, worksheet, and here you can see that we are supposed to create a pie chart and the range has been given A5 up to A10. First of all, we will be select the range as per instruction, and that is A5 up to A10, and next instructions are F10, excuse me, F5 up to F10. So simply press Control from your keyboard and then select the range as per instruction. I have selected the both range as per instruction, and now I am going to create a pie chart for this range to show the percentage each category contribute to the monthly movies download. So after selecting the range, simply go to the insert tab and then in a chart sections, recommended charts, and then all charts. And here you can see in a recent section, here is a pie chart. We have to create that one. This is a pie chart. So simply click on OK. You can see that we have created a chart as per instruction and the range has been given. We have applied that one. The next instructions are move it to a chart sheet name. So we will move it to the chart sheet and the name will be April 5 April pie chart. We will copy this one and then select this one chart and move it to new sheet, and the name is Control V, and the name is April pie chart. You can type here, and I have already copied from the instructions file. So simply click on a OK. So the step number 2, I have done it as per instruction. Now let's move to the step number 3. Step number 3 I have in front of me, and that is the pie chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. Change the chart title to April 2027 streaming by genre. Apply bold 18-point font size and black text 1 font color. Basically, in step number 3, he want to uh, change the title, and he want to apply the bold and increase the font size and apply the black color. So move to the chart, simply select the title. You can type here the title name, that is April 2027 by genre, or you can copy from here. I have already copied here. In a formula bar, Control V, you can see here that I have April 2027 streaming by genre, and simply click on enter. So you can see that we have changed the name April 2027 streaming by genre as per instruction for the pie chart. And the next instruction, apply bold. So we will simply select this one, Control A, or you can select as like this one, and then we will apply bold. So you can see that we have made this change done. Now the next instructions are increase the font size, and that is 18. So go to the home tab and then increase the font size. As per instruction, we have to select 18. I have done it. And the next instructions are apply the black color, black text 1 font color. So simply from here in a color section, you can select here black text 1. So I have made this change, and after making this change, we have completed the step number 3. So now I'm going to move on a step number 4. I'm going to read it for you. Percentage and category data labels will provide identification information for the pie chart. And major restrictions are add label, add data labels in the inside end position, select the category name and percentage labels, remove the value data labels and legends, apply 14-point font size, bold and black text 1 font color to the data label. So in step number 4, basically we are supposed to add the data labels in the inside end position. This is the first step. This is the first instruction to do. So move to the worksheet, and then we are supposed to add data labels. So first of all, select chart area, and then in an element section in a data labels, you can see here we are supposed to select the inside end, and I have selected inside end for the data labels. And now next instructions are like select the category name and percentage data percentage labels. So in a data labels, in a more options, you can select as per instructions. We have to select data labels. Give me a moment, please. Yes. excuse me, select the category name and percentage labels. Category name and percentage labels. And the next instructions are like remove the value data labels and the legend. So I'm going to remove the value. We will unbox this one, and the legend is already unboxed. So the next color instructions are apply the 14-point font size. So you can select the data label, it's already selected. In any way, you can select any one of your data labels and simply go to the font size and increase it up to, it's the as per session we need to increase 14 points. So we will select simply 14 size. So it's, you can see that we have increased the font size, that is 14 point. And the next sessions are we will bold it. So after this you can select the bold, so it's bold now. And next instructions are and black text one font color to the data label. So we are going to apply the black text one font color to the data label. So simply it's already selected, you can see here. So we will select the this color as per session black text one. So this is the all about the step number 4. As per session we have made this change. I'm going to move on a step number 5. I'm going to read it for you. Step number 5 I have in front of me, and that is you want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. It fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. So move to the worksheet. So simply select this area, and these are the categories you can see, and we are supposed to select the category, this one, as per instructions. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill. So this is the comedy slide, and we are supposed to select this one. Font size, give me a moment please. Actually I want to check out the category name. 10%, give me a moment please. So these are the slides, sorry, and we have to customize the slide to as a comedy. Select it, select the this size and click right. You can do from this method format series, or you can explode from here. So we have a station like we have to explode 7% of this slide. Excuse me, give me a moment please. Give me a moment please. Yes, so this is our slide. This one. It's 7% as per stations. I have done it, and the next instructions are and apply the dark red fill color. So we will apply the dark red fill color in a fill section. You can see here we will apply the dark red fill color. This is the dark red. So you can see that we have made this change as per instructions. So this is all about the step number 5. Now I am going to move on to step number 6. So as you can see here, step number 6 is a best practice is to include all text for the accessibility complaints. Add all text. The pie chart shows percentage by genre for the April 2027. This is the all text he want to include. So including the period. So move to the worksheet and then, so first we will select the chart area, sorry, plot area, and then click right. Sorry, we will select the plot area, and then you can see here view all text. So the text was, all text was, you can see here the pie chart shows percentage by genre for the April 2027. You can type there or you can copy from here this all text, Control C, and here we will paste here, paste it. You can write it, the pie chart shows percentage by genre for the April 2027, or you can copy from the instructions file. Simply after this, you will select the click the enter. So we have made this change, and this is all about the step number 6. Now I am going to move on to step number 7. And step number 7 is in front of me. I'm going to read it for you. Next, you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and percentage by category. Display the data sheet. Select the range A5 up to A10 and F5 up to G10, and then create a clustered column line on secondary accesses combo chart. So basically he want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and percentage by category. So move to the answer sheet. So first of all, we will display the data sheet, this one, and we will select the range as per session, and the sessions are like, we will select the range A5 up to A10, A5 up to A10, and then F5 up to G10. Simply press Control from your keyboard and then select the range, this one. And now as per session, we are going to create a chart, line on secondary accesses combo chart. So after selecting this range, simply go to the Insert tab. In our recommended charts, select all charts, and in a recent section you can see here is the combo, and we are supposed to select the clustered column line on secondary axis. So simply select this one and click OK. So you can see that we have created a chart as per instruction. So this is all about the step number 7. Now I'm going to move on a step number 8. I'm going to read it for you, and that's step number 8 is you want to position the chart below the data source. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. Change the height to 3.5 and width to 6. So first of all, we are going to cut the chart and paste it in a cell A13. Move to the worksheet, and in a pie chart section, give me a moment please. So as per session, we have to paste in a cell A13. Here a cell 18, select it. Sorry, first of all select the chart, Control X, and then we have to paste it in a cell 30, cell 30. So this is a A13, Control V. So you can see we have pasted in a cell chart in a cell A13, and after this we have to make the change like change the height to 3.5 and width to 6. So after this, select a format section, change the width as per instruction 3.5 and height should be 6. So 3.5 and height should be 6. So this is all about step number 8. Now I am going to move on to step number 9. I am going to read it for you. Step number 9. Change the combo chart title to April 2027 steaming. Apply black text 1 font color to the chart title. So basically in step number 9 he want to change the title, chart title name, and the chart title name is should be April 2027 steaming. First of all, copy the chart title name, and then you can see here is the chart title. Select it, and in a formula bar paste it here, April 2027, and then simply click OK. You can see we have changed the name, chart name April 2027, and then we will apply the next instruction like apply black text font color. So after selecting this, simply in a home tab we will apply the black font 1. Yes, black text 1. So we have made this change as per instruction, and this is all about step number 9. So now I'm going to move on to step number 10. And step number 10 I have in front of me, that is access title will help distinguish the number and percentage of the downloads. I'm sorry to pronounce this here. Add a primary value access title, enter number of movies. Add a secondary value access title and enter a percentage by genre. Apply black text 1 font color to both value access title. Move to the worksheet and then so simply select the chart area, and then in the chart elements unbox the select the axis titles. So you can see that here are created the axis title. So first we will select this one to change the name, and the name of axis title is number of movies. You can copy from here, and after selecting this you can in a formula bar you can paste here and enter. So you can see that we have changed the name for this is number of movies, and other is I'm going to move change the name from this, and this is all like this is the name for the other value access title, percentage by genre. Copy from here, and after selecting this in a formula bar we will paste here and select enter. So we have made this change, and next instructions are right now like apply black text 1 font color to the both values. So we are going to change the color for the both values. First of all, select this one and then click on a color section. That's a black text 1, and now select this one and change the color as per instructions, this one. So this is all about the step number 10, where we was supposed to add a primary value access title and enter the name, and add a secondary value access title and change the name and apply black color. We have made this change. So after step number 10, let me tell you that if you are struggling with Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, Access, and so you don't need to worry, because I am providing a simple step-by-step video tutorials on my YouTube channel for the student who want to improve their computer skills. And if you are facing any problem regarding any software, So you don't need to worry. Just hit my WhatsApp number that is given at the bottom of the screen, and I will try my best to serve you in a better way. So thank you so much, guys. We will see you in the next video. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye bye.